Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Toyota Tacoma with a key. First, make sure your vehicle is in park or neutral for safety. Insert your key completely into the ignition. Turn the key clockwise to the on position, which illuminates your dashboard lights. Then, continue turning the key to the start position and hold it briefly until the engine catches. Release the key, and it will spring back to the on position, ready for your drive. Sometimes, your Tacoma might not start immediately. First, confirm your key is fully inserted and undamaged. If you hear a rapid clicking sound, your battery might be low or dead. Check your battery terminals for corrosion and ensure they are tight. Also, try wiggling the steering wheel while turning the key to unlock it, as a locked steering wheel can prevent starting. These simple checks can often resolve common starting problems. Your Toyota Tacoma uses an immobilizer system for security. This system reads a small transponder chip embedded within your key. If the vehicle doesn't recognize the chip, or if the key is damaged, the engine will not start. You might see a security light flashing on your dashboard, indicating an immobilizer issue. Always use a properly programmed key to ensure reliable starting and prevent theft. Proper maintenance of your key and ignition can prevent future starting problems. Avoid attaching heavy keychains, as their weight can wear down the ignition cylinder over time. Keep your key clean and try not to drop it, which could damage the internal transponder chip. If your key feels loose or sticky in the ignition, consider having it inspected or replacing a worn key to maintain smooth and reliable starting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.